So today we're in a unique location. We are at a lake house nestled in the heart of Dorset, where we have just completed this incredible outdoor kitchen. Today I'm going to be talking you through how we made it and all the appliances and features that are involved in this. So if that's something you'd like to see, stick around and we'll jump into this video. So the brief on this project was the customer already had this Chesney oven and he already had this Everhot grill. So we were asked to create an outdoor kitchen where these could be integrated into it. So to start with, over here, let's go and have a look over here. So this unit here is completely custom made. We made this using a treated timber and marine ply construction. We then clad it with this powder coated aluminium to match all the anthracite colour in the shelter here that you can see around you. So starting over here, this is an Alfa 5 Minuti wood fired oven. If you are interested in this, I'll leave a link above. I've done a review of this in our showroom, so if you want to have a look at that shows you some of the features on it. So looking inside here, you can have a look inside here. And so this is large enough to hold 2 pizzas or 2 oven dishes. You put your fire over there, you've got your ceramic bricks there, flue there. Everything stainless steel construction, powder coated on the top. And that is your lid there. Coming over to here, so this is an Everhot grill, which is something we haven't fitted before. This is a first for us. So this is completely wood and fire. You've got the grill there, you put the fire underneath there, and you can turn this handle which lifts the grill here, which brings your food higher off the charcoal if you want to cool it down, and then you do that, lift it off, and it goes back down there. So that's a really nice piece of kit there. So this here is called the Chesney, and the customer had this already when we arrived and wanted to integrate it into his kitchen. So this essentially is a log burner, and you lift the lid up and it's got a grill on the top, so you can do all your barbecuing and grilling on top of there and close that down. But you can open this lid up here, and then you've got the oven in there. I have actually used one of these before on a barbecue course that I did, and we actually wrapped some aubergines in tin foil. We left them in there for a few hours and then made baba ganoush out of it. It was really, really good. Great for jacket potatoes, sweet potatoes you could put in there, slow cooking. So that's an incredible piece of kit, and obviously it would keep you warm at night as well. Coming across to here, this is a Beefeater Fresco Pro setup. You've got the Beefeater double fridge there, plenty of storage in there for keeping your drinks and your food. Here you've got the stainless steel sink and tap. This has got hot water and cold water. Here you've got an anthracite coloured doors. This range, the Fresco Pro range, comes in 4 different colours. It comes in anthracite, black, silver and white, I think. So you open this up, and inside, purely storage. You've got the trap and the waste. There's electric at the back there, and there is a back panel to go on there as well. So the Fresco Pro range does normally come with worktops included, but because we were matching this to this custom unit down here, so we matched the colours, obviously the anthracite colours, but because we wanted the granite all to match as well, we decided not to get the granite that comes with it and used the same granite throughout, so everything would flow and everything would match. Anthracite, I always really like it. It goes really, really well with cedar. You can see it goes well with the windows, and it really goes well with the doors and the unit over there, and the Renson shelter that we got over here. So this canopy is a Renson canopy. It has retracting blinds that can come, and it's all done via remote. So when it's sunny like this, you can pull it back, you've got the open to the sunshine, and then if it starts raining, you can close it and you're fully enclosed.
If there's ever a goal for outdoor living, then this has to be it. Here's a space that can be used all year round, whether it's sunny, whether it's snowing, whether it's raining. You can sit here and you can entertain your friends and family. I mean, I have to say, I am slightly jealous of this one, but then saying that, I'm envious of all our customers and their outdoor kitchens.
So this kitchen is all about cooking on wood and fire. There aren't any gas appliances in this kitchen, so that's something that was really close to my heart. I love cooking on wood and fire. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing and hit the notification button, and you'll get notified every time we bring out another video. We try and post a video at least once a week at the minute. We do have a Instagram account and a Facebook account. I'll leave the links to those and to our website in the description below. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.